When it comes to a well-being strategy, the number one thing that you should do before you implement it or start to even think about it is talk to your employees. Find out what is not working for them, because it may not be a training workshop that they need. Maybe that they want to have a better relationship with their manager. And actually, the fact that they're doing an incredible workload that used to be 3 people's worth of work is now on their shoulders, and they're struggling with that. So they need some support, but they don't get that support because they don't speak to their manager. So is it actually a well-being strategy that you need? Yes, I agree that everybody can be more educated on how to look after their personal mental well-being and their physical well-being. Absolutely, without a doubt. Education is one thing, but listening to your employees, listening to what change they want. If there is a challenge within the household as well, if you think about your family life, if you're trying to improve the environment, you have to start by listening. Take it in, sit there, don't say anything, feel the pain, let them tell you all the things that aren't working so that you can start to piece together a way to a better future, a way to change things. But everybody has to be part of that process. We can't just think, oh, I'll do this, that'll work. You have to listen to people. And that's where consultants come in, because we have listened to people previously. And we will still encourage you to listen and talk and get people involved in that process. But we've been through that. We've had experience. We've worked in other situations and other organizations where we've helped to implement things along the way, and we've seen the results. So we can talk from a confidence and experienced perspective. We know it's going to make a difference. That's why I can be so confident talking about it on here. But you have to listen to your people, regardless of what environment you're in. That's where we have to start by asking them the difficult questions, but being prepared for the answer. I will never forget, I worked somewhere and I made a recommendation and I said, look, we really need to do an employee engagement survey. We really need to find out what the people think. Actually, it would have been better to do it face to face or in small sessions where people can just be honest, but people are scared to be honest. So when you run an engagement survey, they can really fill it out afterwards, or it can be anonymous, so you can find out some of the real crux of what is going on within your organization, right? They fill in an engagement survey where they give insights, where you can understand the organization and what is going on the ground a lot more. But anyway, I remember in this one circumstance where I made this recommendation that we need to start with an employee engagement survey. And what I was told was, oh no, let's not do it now. I don't think that the timing is right. Let me tell you, the timing is always right to listen to your people. It's not when you're just about to change the commission structure or you're just about to break up for Christmas. You should always be talking to your employees about what they want and how they feel and what they like and what they don't like. It should not be a case of timing when it comes to your employee engagement survey. Okay, too much is overkill. Can't be giving a survey to them, every day. Come on. We could try. It would be a good start for some businesses. You can't necessarily do it like that. But to understand your people, at least on a regular basis, to get some type of feedback, it's the place to start. It's this place to start to change your culture, because culture is a feeling. It's how you feel when you are somewhere. And that is emotions. And that's emotioneering, right? You wouldn't start to fix a car before you realize what was wrong with it. So why do we do that when it comes to working environments? Find the answers first.